Let me and I bamboozled. Yes, there's a new intro. So today we're going to be unboxing this Logitech mouse. It's the MX Master 3, and it's for Mac. Wow, 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 wow. So good. Okay, let's do the unboxing. So we open this little compartment out. It's a very nice design. And then we open this. Wait a minute, how do you open it? I'm very confused. Oh my god, you open it like this. And then you open it like this. And then, oh my god, look, here's the mouse. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So good, so good. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And then here's a Logitech unifying receiver. But we don't need that because all new Macs have Bluetooth. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god. So here's the mouse. Very nice click. Here's the sticker. Let's peel it off. Let me get the headphones for ASMR. Let's go get the headphones for ASMR. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so here we have the headphones, and here we have the mouse. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So let's peel it off. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It sounds so nice. Like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So here's the mouse. Okay, very nice click. Very nice scrolling. Okay, you see, it's very good. You even got the side scrolling and the back buttons. And then you've also got this little button that I think invokes, like, expose. Okay. So that's basically the unboxing of this mouse. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, wash your hands, take a shower, do whatever you need to do. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to henlo yourself. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.